Alrighty, today I'm working on this Torpedo from 1956. Customers complaining about the bail being kind of floppy. So we're going to take a look at that, and then he wants a new ribbon put on it. Overall, it's pretty clean. 894437 says from 1956. He wants me to keep the pricing down on everything, so I'm not going to clean it all. I'm just going to address whatever issues that he's noted for me on all his machines. I've got 4 others of his to look at. And he's a collector, so he's got a bunch of machines he's supposed to get to me at some point. So I'll let you know what I find on all of them.